I love that Charger, baby. It makes up for no more Crown Victorias, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, she's a beauty. She is a beauty. Huh. Yeah, worst time for a snowstorm is at rush hour. That is for sure. I love that Charger. Ah, she's a beauty. As we say in French, c'est un choc de la gueule. It's a car that looks tough, menacing, impressive. Yeah. Indeed, indeed. I got one Impala here, and another Impala over there. Watching the situation here on the roads, which is rapidly deteriorating. Oh, and I see another one down there, actually. Yeah. It's bad, man. It's really, really bad. Surprised they're not responding to accidents, though, you know? Look at that. I can't even film too long. It's snowing so much and there's so much wind that my lens just keeps getting filled with snow, let alone my bag, you know. So, good old Impala. But not my favorite. For me, it's the Crown Vic, but the Crown Victorias are going out. It's this. That doesn't matter, it's colorless. Anyway, bye-bye. Well, this would be cop car number 4 over here, I think. Oh, that's cool with the flares. That's a nice touch. This guy's meticulous. You're a meticulous man, my friend. You're the only cop car I've seen with the flares on the ground. Details, details, details. Another Impala. Yet no Crown Vics yet. Oh well. Que voulez-vous, comme on dit. Ah, ça sent bon ici. Yeah, right on, right on. Doing the circulation traffic duty.